Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is just going to be a just a chill vlog. I'm going to show you guys how I shoot my pictures for Instagram. It was supposed to be a whole completely different video, but it kind of got messed up because at the end of me shooting yesterday, I completely broke my camera. Well, I didn't break the camera like intentionally, but there was like a really strong gust of wind and we were in between two buildings, and my tripod is very lightweight, which made like the whole contraption top heavy. Then the wind like literally like came in and knocked the whole thing down. So during shooting, well, during filming we were shooting, but during the filming portion, because we were shooting and I was filming us shooting, the camera hit the ground and the cement like dented the whole lens, and so it's just been in error mode since. So I went to UPS to drop it off so that Canon can try and fix it for me or tell me how to get it fixed, all that fun stuff, which is really annoying, but it's fine. Hopefully it will be fixed soon because the camera I'm shooting on right now is very bulky. Not a fan. I use this for shooting only, not for filming, and that's why. It also doesn't have a viewfinder, so I'm talking to you guys, but you could probably just only see like my left cheek. I don't know, my left cheek. So I don't know, hopefully this will turn out okay. But I just want to show you guys before like we continue. I just want to stop the vlog really fast so I can show you guys my new sunglasses. I've been dying for a pair of excuse me. I've been dying for a pair of sunglasses with a yellow lens, and I got it. So this is what it looks like, but it's so cool. Like, so I got these, and then I also want to show you another pair that I just got, and I don't know why I bought these. I shouldn't have, because I just ordered a pair from Poppy Lissman, I think the brand's called, and they're so dope. And I actually have a pair like this already. They're just not square, they're more like round, but I thought these were really cool too. So that's my little sunglass haul. Oh my god, let me just break it, right? I don't know if y'all are into reading, but just got this new book called Normal People. I'm excited to try this one. I just got like a stack of 11 books. I haven't tried any of those yet, and I still got another book. So this is gonna be the first on my list, and I'll let you know how I like it. But yeah, so today's vlog is just gonna be a chill one. I already went to the market this morning to grab some flowers for my shoot today, and just for the house to, you know, brighten up the place because it's been really gloomy lately. Like, it's been snowing all week. And then I went to my favorite bakery to get some breakfast sandwiches for me and Anthony, which is chef's kiss. And then after that, we kind of have been just shooting all day. That's really it. Today was just a shooting day. Yesterday was just a shooting day. And we played in the snow a little bit. That was really fun. And then that's pretty much it. Super Bowl's later. That's it. Yeah. I'll see you guys later.
And hear me clear.
I love it. I love when it snows. Oh no. You would try. You would do it, huh? You would do it. Love it here. Love this for us.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I know it was kind of like a chill vlog, nothing much to it, but I promise next week I do have a home decor style video for next weekend. Next Sunday, my posting day. That should be really fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more. My home style channel, home style, fashion, clothing, you name it. If it's style, I do it. Alright, bye guys.